They arrived by bus, tired and hungry. Several dozen migrants and asylum seekers from mostly Central and South American countries arrived over the weekend to a bus terminal in New York City. They all had one-way tickets and nowhere to go. They all crossed into the U.S. to the state of Texas days earlier. But that state's governor, Greg Abbott, has said that they are overwhelmed by the recent influx of migrants, so he's bused some of them to immigrant-friendly New York City as a way of saying, you deal with them. But New York's mayor, Eric Adams, on Monday blasted Abbott, saying the city shelters are unprepared to properly care for the migrants.
I don't think anything is more anti-American than shipping people on a bus, 45-hour trip, without any of the basic needs that they have, of direction or coordination. Coordination. We have no idea the number of people. We have no idea of where their final destinations are. He's just totally disregarding the human part of this.
And it's not just New York. In recent days and weeks, Abbott has bused an estimated 6,000 migrants to Washington, D.C. as well, a city already dealing with a homeless crisis. The Defense Department rejected the mayor's request for National Guard troops to help deal with the influx of migrants from Texas. Abbott is a far-right conservative with a record of pro-gun and anti-immigration policies. He's currently in a hard-fought re-election campaign in November. While he says busing migrants to Washington and New York is only because his state's social safety net is being strained, others see him as using migrants as pawns in a dangerous political stunt. As for the migrants in New York, many were desperate.
Well, why did I come here? Because of the situation in the country that everyone knows about. Because it's difficult to survive in Venezuela. There's no medicine, there's no security, there's nothing. There is no way to live in peace.
As is normally the case with political battles of immigration in America, it's humans who often get used as pawns, this time in the form of one-way bus tickets. Gabriel Elizondo, Jazeera, New York.